I have a good friend who loves to skateboard, and every time I come across one of those dogs or cats or birds or whatever skateboarding, I send it to him. But today I'm going to draw a skateboarder, but it's going to be a human. And pretty good picture, action shot, balancing on the skateboard, rolling out. Let's capture the action and do it with my favorite colors. That kind of lavendery purple, blue, some green. It's an action shot. Let's make it happen. You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. Did you know we publish lots of fun coloring books for both adults and kids? You can get them from Amazon, Etsy, or the Art for All website. Check the link in the description for more details. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Now it's time for coloring. We'll speed up the video. Pause or adjust the speed if needed. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.